Hey, what's up, Gary B? I got a question. What is debt consolidation? And should I consolidate? Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy, Gary B. Hey, we're going to talk about debt consolidation today and should you consolidate? I'm not going to delve deep into it here on this episode, but we're going to talk about it. But if you really would like to know if you should consolidate your debt, give me a visit at www.gbromejrfinancial.com because this is something we need to really talk about because everybody should not consolidate debt. So if you one of them people that's considering it and don't really know what it really is, you make sure you visit me, all right? But right now, sit back. I want you to take some notes, and hey, we're going to talk about this thing. This is Gary B with Mentally Financial. I'll be right back. Peace. Welcome back, everybody, to Mentally Financial with Gary B. Hey, like I said at the top of the show, we're going to talk about debt consolidation and should you consolidate. Well, let me tell you what debt consolidation technically kind of is, okay? Debt consolidation rolls multiple debts into a single payment. It can be a good idea if you qualify for a low enough interest rate. You heard me? If you do not qualify for a low enough interest rate, this might not be the way you want to go, okay? Because debt consolidation not only does it take into consideration all of your debts and you rolling it into one, you typically, the highest debt you're trying could be your credit card or a loan or something that you may have gotten and it didn't get out of control and you don't know if you can control it or not or pay the bill. Well, when you consolidate your debts, you're trying to get it to where you get the lowest interest rate so you can pay it off a lot faster. So if you're dealing with a manageable amount of debt and you just want to reorganize some multiple bills with some different interest rates, then debt consolidation might be a good approach for you. Okay. So let's jump on into this thing. Okay. How to consolidate your debt? There are two primary ways you can consolidate debt, both of which concentrate your debt payments into one monthly bill. You can get a zero interest balance transfer credit card, or you can get a fixed rate debt consolidation loan. Okay. Now, two additional ways you can consolidate your debt is taking out a home equity loan or your 401, your 401k loan, which that can be kind of risky, y'all, because you're putting your house into a situation and your retirement into a situation. So those might not be the best options for you, but they depend on your credit score and your profile. Like you've always heard me say, if you got a decent credit profile, that score is going to look just as good. And then you also got to take into the debt to income ratio, okay? So it's kind of crazy, but like I said, there's different ways you can do this thing, all right? And those are the kind of things I want to sit down and talk to you about. So let's see what this next thing is. When debt consolidation is a smart move, success with a consolidated strategy requires the following, everyone. Your monthly debt payments, including your rent or mortgage, do not exceed 50% of your monthly gross income, number one. Number two, your credit is good enough to qualify for a credit card with a zero interest period or a low interest debt consolidation loan. Number three, your cash flow consistently covers your payments towards your debt. And number four, if you choose a consolidation loan, you can pay it off within 5 years. Okay, when debt consolidation isn't worth it, consolidation isn't a silver bullet for debt problems, okay, y'all? It doesn't address excessive spending habits that create debt in the first place. It also does not put you in a situation where things are still be overwhelming. And if you have no hope of paying it off, even with reduced payments, then you need to consider other things. If your debt load is small, you can pay it off within 6 months to a year at the current pace, then you're doing pretty good, okay? Um, Try a do-it-yourself debt payment method instead of, you know, getting a consolidation loan. Because if you can do the snowball method or the avalanche method, then that might be the better thing for you. Because, like I said, debt consolidation can get you into more debt, okay, if you're not doing it right. If the total of your debt is more than half your income, then you need to really think about getting some debt relief or speaking to somebody that can help you try to tread water and get out of this. Okay. So, with that being said, that's pretty much what debt consolidation is, y'all. So, like I told you, come visit me at www.gbronejrfinancial.com and we can really delve into this and see if debt consolidation is for you. If your credit score, your credit profile ain't there, you might not want to do it. But hey, like I said, this is your boy Gary B with Mentally Financial. I do the research. You just got to follow. Until the next episode, I love you. Peace. Thank you for checking out this week's episode. I hope I dropped a little knowledge on you that you can use. A new episode drops every Sunday at 12 p.m. Google me and you'll find me wherever you listen to your favorite podcast. Until the next episode, peace.